Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Omerita gozaimasu for me. Thank you. If you're looking for a driving school, please search E-Star Driving School, and they are the best.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Japanese?
Japanese, Omerita. Yatta ne, yatta. I passed.
Filipino?
Okay. I just passed. Nakapasa na ako. So,
What else? In your local language?
okay. Nakapasa rin ako, sir. Congratulations sa ako. And then thank you kaayo sa E-Star Driving School. Mga Bisaya, go E-Star Driving School na.
¿Cómo estás?
Mabuti naman. Kumusta?
Mabuti man.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Soy de Mehmet. ¿De dónde eres, señorita?
Oh my God.
This is Spanish.
Okay.
Okay.
私の名前はクリスティンです。That's Japanese.
Oh, we had one Japanese student.
Yeah.
You speak Japanese too?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So how many years you stay in Japan?
2 years.
2 years. Wow. Japanese language is hard, like Chinese?
Yeah, it is.
I don't know anything about Japanese language because I just only had one Japanese lady, half Canadian, half Japanese.
Yeah.
We don't have, because Japanese people, Japan, they can replace their license here.
Oh,
They don't take
that's
exam.
good. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So we are practicing for G2. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, before you start, subscribe our channel, like our videos. So you find us from YouTube, right?
Yeah.
You watch my videos?
All the videos. Almost all
Oh
the
my
videos.
God.
And I pressed the like button.
Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully, people will like your videos as well.
I hope so.
Yeah, you will help people. How the people help you,
Yeah.
and you will help people. And your driving is good. So we come just from your home. I saw your driving. Hopefully you're gonna pass. So we're gonna do one G2
Yeah.
practice.
Okay.
So it's kind of mock test practice.
Okay.
Okay, let's go from here. If you have any question, always you ask me. Okay. Let's go.
Oops. Oh. My God.
Actually, they honk you, not for. They don't honk you. They honk other car.
That was me.
Yes,
I got
yes,
the wrong
yes.
one. I think I already.
You also.
Yeah,
are.
I was used to drive a manual back home.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay. Let's go from here. Turn right. 1 minute, 1 goal. So if you don't press the gas, if you use the wrong gear,
Yes.
even though you don't press the gas, that's okay. No issue.
Okay. But minus points.
Yeah, it's minus point. So we're gonna go right first. Okay, so we can go. Turn right here. Short turn, short. Good job. So the right lane is going to end. Change your lane to left.
Okay.
Yeah, you can change now. Shoulder, hands back. Slightly. Cancels, you know.
So I can change here.
That's okay. If you
Okay.
change here, that's not big deal.
So I will not wait for the examiner to tell me to
Yes,
change,
yes,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to do by yourself. Yeah.
Okay.
Our video is on. So your distance is good.
Okay.
Go.
my God.
Let's go. Let's go this guy. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Someone is fighting with the phone. Okay, let's go straight.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he was. So that's why if you are angry, you shouldn't drive. Yeah, check both sides. So right lane is ending here. You see this
Yes.
sign? Yeah. That's fine. It was scary, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I was scared.
Me too. Check both sides. You're in Japan. You should learn some defensive.
No,
No,
just the language.
not karate, kung fu.
I know. We're all working all day long,
Okay.
overtime.
What do you do in Japan?
It's a ready-made meal manufacturer. Like the food in 7-Elevens, we made it.
Turn right.
Left, right?
Yeah, left. Sorry. My bad. Sometimes I do mistake.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So we turn here, then change lane.
Yes, exactly. Oh, you.
Yeah, I watched your video,
Yes,
right?
yes. I had a one lady. She also watched my old videos. I was sleeping, and he knows everything.
Ah, okay, because of your videos. Yeah, I
Yes, I
know.
watch everything. She passed G2, and she hopefully you will pass today. Hopefully, yeah.
I hope to.
Yeah. So you said you have a son, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I
You can honk.
do. Oh, no, I
Honk.
don't
Beep.
wanna.
He's not in the exam. That's okay. I know this guy.
Ah, okay.
Shahbaz, yeah. Speed up. Okay, check blind spot. Yes. Yes. Maintain distance. This guy behind us, he doesn't have patience. Yeah. Turn right. Yeah. That's great.
Oh, there's a bus.
Bus. School bus.
I was thinking there's gonna be a lot of bus today.
Yeah, yes. Oh, he did mistake.
Oh, yeah.
But this is Mr. Kenan.
Oh, okay.
He's there. I saw him before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here it's gonna be 50, but
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
45 is
Oh,
fine.
okay.
Yeah. 45 is fine. So turn right. One, two, three. Good job. Okay, let's turn left here.
so stuck.
Okay. Pull over. Okay. Downhill parking. That's good. Let's go. So, do you need to touch the curb in the exam
Yeah.
time? No. In the exam time, if you don't touch, that's okay.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, no issue. But in general, if you are leaving the hilly area, it's better to touch the curb.
Okay.
Yeah, we can go. You're gonna hit the tree?
Yeah.
Hey tree. Sorry about that. Sorry tree. So you forgot mirror, signal, blind spot.
Oh, signal. Yeah.
Failed.
I did. Oh. Oh my god, -1.
Pull over here. Yeah. Okay. So after you are done for the downhill parking or uphill parking, look mirror,
Yeah.
left signal, and check the blind spot. Then proceed. Yeah. If you don't do it, mirror 4 points,
Oh.
signal 4 points, blind spot 4
4
points.
points.
12 points for nothing, right? Yeah. So we're gonna do 3-point turn
Okay.
from here. Yes. Good. Yes. good. Yeah, distance is good. Okay. One side. We can do one parallel park for this car.
Okay.
Use for this car, yes.
Oops, sorry.
Do you know any chiropractic? No, just joking.
Okay, one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, minus. Good.
Yeah. Okay. Look at back. Yeah. So what's your reference point here?
The backlight.
Backlight.
And
Yeah.
then one.
Correct. Yes. One.
The signal's gone.
Go back.
A little bit more.
A little more is better. Yeah. Okay. Then. Perfect.
How do you know that the
Yeah.
steering wheel is straight?
Yes, it's a good question.
Yeah,
Let me teach you park and brake. Okay. So, Christina has a question. How do you know the steering wheel is straight?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you should remember how much you turn the wheel.
Okay.
First of all, so one turn left. This is one turn.
Yeah.
T is up, right? One turn back. Now it's straight, right?
Yes.
So one turn left. One more turn. This is full.
Okay.
This is full. So half back. One back. Straight.
Okay.
Yeah. So you should remember how much you turn the wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you got it?
Got it.
Very hard question.
I
Okay.
was almost confused
Yeah,
with
no
that.
problem. So let's go. Perfect.
Oops, somebody's coming.
Somebody's coming. Okay. That's a good observation. Yes. Yeah. If you stop late, it's a fail reason.
Oh, okay.
That means you're so late.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So okay, this is the exam route. So I didn't take you there because 1, 2, 3. Creep up a little bit to see. Yep. Because we didn't do parallel park over there because sometimes the examiner is doing with the student.
Ah, okay.
So we have to respect for examiner with the student. Yeah. But here is 50, but you can go 40 is fine here. Do not drive too close to car here.
This is two-way, right?
Yeah, two ways actually. Yes. Mr. Kenan, turn left. Actually, he's Dr. Kenan.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
He told me that.
Yeah. Okay. So now stop here. Okay. Perfect. So when we need any medical advice, we get
You go.
from, yeah.
You get it from him.
Yeah. Also Filipino people, a lot of Filipino people, we had it, they also in the health business.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn right.
One-way street.
Yeah, this is one way. Yeah, your distance is good.
So like that, it's still far. I need to wait, right?
Yeah, but when you stop, it was so far.
Yeah.
You could have gone, but that's okay. If you wait a little bit, it's fine.
Okay. Maybe he's going fast.
Yeah. Maybe he's Angry bird.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this guy is so much angry. You know, when we are in the wheel, people they lose their patience.
I know.
Yeah.
When you're in the Philippines, you're gonna lose your patience.
Really?
Yeah.
Same thing. People they fight.
Yeah.
Oh.
When you drive there in the Philippines, there's no speed limits. You know,
Mm.
no licenses.
Oh really?
Some.
Right? Mm.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm in the video.
That's
Can you
okay.
cut that one?
No, it's gonna be. It's okay.
Sorry, not all Filipinos.
No,
not all.
that's okay. In my country as well, the people in Turkey they don't follow the rules. That's fine. That's why we are here, right? That's why we are here. Yeah. We need rules to be followed.
Yes.
So this is 50. You are not scared, right? You
A little bit.
yeah. Check both sides. Yeah. That's okay. Relax. You're driving so good. Yeah, so good. So we're gonna do one mock test there. Okay. So you can start from right side here. Change lane to left. Shoulder. And right. So if examiner told you after traffic light turn left, then you can change early. You can change here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he will tell me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or he will just say, "Let's go back to the."
I hope you got he.
Why? Why?
We are always good. He is always good.
What about the she?
She's also good.
Okay. You're in a
Someday.
video.
Oh my god.
You're in a video.
That's why I said she's also good.
Okay.
Turn left. Check blind spot. Yeah. Okay. So let's go from the over there. The red
Next
car is
one.
there. Yeah. Or from here as well. Yeah. A little bit quick here. Yes. Yeah.
Right here?
Yes. Yeah. Turn here. Down stop here. Yes. Go straight. Park right. Okay, here. Park and brake. Okay, in general, you did some mistake. You forgot to change the gear.
Yeah.
That's one big problem. I mean, it's not big problem. As long as you don't press the gas, that's okay. If you forget to change the gear, if you don't press the gas, that's you will lose only point.
Okay.
But if you forget to change the gear and you press the gas,
Yes.
that's issue. And after you are done for parallel parking, look mirror signal and blind spot. Mirror signal and blind spot before you are moving. Any question to ask or anything to add?
For now,
No. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and help us. We're gonna make more videos.
More videos and more money.
Yes. Yeah. I didn't reach enough subscribers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if I reach enough subscriber, yeah, maybe I will make Mr. Beats. You know, this
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah.
He's making huge
You're
money.
gonna have a lot.
Yeah, I will ask help from him. Maybe if he watch my videos, maybe he can post one day.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, all the best.
Okay,
Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye.